Hey y'all, my name is Louisa and welcome to my channel, The Ever Growing Mommy. In this video, I'm going to take you along with me to go get my grandson's school supplies before school started, and I am also taking a random unplanned trip to Goodwill. I do have a tip that I want to share with you when it comes to random unplanned trips and things that are not in the budget. So stick around so that you can get that valuable information. We are ready to go. Hey baby, guess where we're going?
Your house.
Not to my house. We're gonna go get your school supplies for school. It's a Walmart. This is not a typical Walmart that I go to, so it's gonna be pretty interesting. Hopefully I can find everything we need. Somebody is sleepy, but after we're out of here and he's good boy, we're gonna get some McDonald's.
If we had helicopters,
Okay, let's go into Walmart. Now, we are at Walmart and I thought this was hilarious. My grandson wanted a lock. He is so incredibly smart. He said that he needs a lock so that no one will steal his stuff. I don't know how he even knows what the word steal, the meaning of the word stealing is, but he is so precious and smart, and I'm just so grateful that I get to share him with y'all. And as always, Grandma's water tastes delicious. He wanted some water. He was thirsty. We picked up a couple of things that were not on the list just so that he could have, you know, that little extra stuff that grandmas like to give their grandkids. This is all him happy with all his stuff, and it was just something that an opportunity that I was really grateful that my daughter allowed me to take part in. And so if you're grandma, let me know what you do for your grandkids that really fills your heart. Y'all, we just finished Walmart and we got almost everything on his list. Say hi. We were gonna get a pencil bag to match his backpack, and thank God I opened it because that thing was tore. It was tore. I would have paid, I don't even know how much it was, but I wasn't gonna open it. I was just waiting in line, curious, just because I was just doing something, just to do something, and press pause, and it was tore. So I'm glad that I opened it. I'm glad I was being just... Anyways, I'm glad that we found out it was tore. We didn't get it, but I plan to get him a lunchbox and a pencil bag that will match his backpack. He's Minecraft guy right now. So, got all his stuff. Now we're going to go get some Walmart. I'm going to drop him off at his grandma's. It is really, really, really hot out here. It's hot. And it's only 88 degrees Fahrenheit. Y'all, it is really hot. I just dropped my grandson off. I am at Walmart getting gas. I was wondering why it smelled like gas. I felt like I couldn't breathe. Oh my goodness. Anyways, I am going to go back home, get some things done, and then go back to get our groceries at Kroger because I am not wanting to go to Walmart. So let's go ahead and go back home, get out of this heat for a little bit, go to Kroger, get our water, come back home and get my paperwork done and done. So let's go. Y'all, we are home. I'm home. That's why I have my shirt off, because I'm comfortable. But we are home. Dropped the grandson off, got gas. It is really hot outside, so I just needed to come and cool down for a little bit before I go and get the groceries. Right now I'm cooking me some lunch because I haven't eaten. So usually I eat like one time a day and then snack the rest of the time on fruits, or I'll eat a soup later at night. So right now I'm gonna make my specialty, which I'll show you right here. It's 2 eggs with a bowl of spinach. Sorry, my mind is here, there, and everywhere. A bowl of spinach. I also drink these at least one a day or every so often. I don't drink more than one a day. I finished my green tea. I still have my water, which I spilled at Walmart. I spilled while I was paying. I had I had some electronics in my purse, and I was like, ooh, thank God I did not get my electronics. But I'm gonna have my 2 eggs with my spinach, and that's really, I love it. I love, that's my go-to meal, even on a Saturday. I am gonna head out to Kroger and get the things that I need for groceries, and I'm really gonna try to stick to the list that we have. I may even not get certain things on the list, it just depends, because I have some bills that are coming out and I want to be responsible and all of that. So let me show you what my eggs look like. I have really been enjoying cooking with my cast iron. I have a lot of stainless steel pots and pans in there. I also have ceramic cast iron in there, or a coated cast iron in there, but those are usually my go-to, this or the coated cast iron. And I know that these are healthier for you to use with cooking. That's just what they used in the olden days, and so I love them. Usually I wash them right away, but these two I haven't got to. This is from 2 days ago, and then this is from yesterday, so these will get washed tonight. So what I do after I wash them, clean them, is I put them on here, I let the water evaporate from them, and then I coat them. And I let the heat just simmer it in, and they're good to go, and then they go back in here. I'd like to hang them on the wall somewhere over here, but I don't want the wall to get nasty and dirty, so here's where they're gonna be for now. I could actually hang them in here. Like, take this down and hang them here. That would be pretty cool. Maybe I'll do that, we'll see. Okay, y'all, I just finished up the last that I had to do at home. I had to, before I go to get groceries. But my daughter is calling me, so I'm headed to go pick her up from work. And then I'm gonna drop her off, and then I'm gonna go get groceries. It's late, I'm tired. I still haven't done my walk, I haven't done my workout, and I haven't done the mail. All of those things, I'm just like, I don't wanna do any of it, but gotta get done. I don't even know about the animals. This is something that I'm learning. I'm learning what my limits are. I'm learning what boundaries I need to make. I'm constantly changing my boundaries because I am so used to doing everything and trying to cram everything in such a short time. I've suffered a lot from living that way, and I don't want to live that way anymore. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go pick up my daughter, drop her off, get the groceries, and I'm just going to see how I feel. I'm going to see how I feel when I get home from groceries to determine what I'm not going to do. And I'm just going to make peace within my mind and my heart of what I don't do and be okay with that. So here we go to go pick up my daughter. Let's do this, and then I'll pick back up whenever I get back home. Yeah, I just left. I just left. Well, me and the Lord. We just left from dropping off. I was like, you know what? I'm gonna be on this side of town. I have some stuff I needed to send to Goodwill, so I just dropped some stuff off, and I think I want to go inside. I shouldn't, because of all the things, but let's just take a look-see. The good thing is that they only have 15 minutes and they close. So let's just take a look-see and see what they have. So excited. Okay, the tip that I wanted to give y'all is if you go to a store unscheduled and not in the budget, and you see things that you really like and you really want, leave it there. Take a picture of it, and if it comes to your mind later, then go get it. But if it doesn't, you really didn't need it. You didn't need it. And I found so many cute things that I really wanted, which I'll show you later, but I didn't go back to get them, and I saved myself money. So I hope that helps you, because it has helped me. I didn't get anything, and I'm glad I didn't, but I got a lot of cute pictures of things that I wish I would have gotten or that I want. I'll share that with you here in a little bit. But let's go for real to fill up this water and then to Kroger and home. Y'all, thank you so much for watching. Before I let you go, I want to leave this verse with you. It's in Proverbs 28 verse 26. It says, he who trusts in himself is a fool, but he who walks in wisdom is kept safe. And let that be a reminder not to trust in our impulses when it comes to finances, but to walk in wisdom. So I hope that this helps you. I hope it encourages you to just kind of give it some time before you do some shopping, and really save yourself some money, and let's be good stewards of what the Lord has entrusted us. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video, where I will share my grocery haul and all the things that I got my grandson for school. See y'all later. Bye, y'all.